Managing 5 vendors? Easy. Managing 50? Well, that's where your spreadsheets, your emails, and your shared folders start breaking. The more vendors that your business relies on, the harder it is to track contracts, docs, approvals, compliance, and communication without things slipping through the cracks. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from AutomationHelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses streamline and automate their operations using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. Today, we are taking a look at how modern businesses are replacing their spreadsheets, their manual processes, their disconnected systems with a vendor management system. I'll show you how vendors can securely submit documents, update their information, complete onboarding requirements, and collaborate with your team through a dedicated portal. But more importantly, I'll show you what happens behind the portal, where your contacts, details, approvals, requirements, contracts, and legalities are stored in one single connected system. By the end of this video, you'll have an understanding of what a modern vendor management system is, why so many businesses are moving over to it as they scale, and why a vendor portal could replace a spreadsheet, giving you better visibility, tracking, and collaboration with your team. Now, before we dive into this, I want to spend about 90 seconds explaining why this problem is so common, because most businesses think that it's a matter of disorganization, and it's simply not. Here's what is actually happening. When you are managing 2 or 3 vendors, email works fine. You can remember who said what, you know what is pending, everything fits inside your head and inside your inbox. But the moment that you scale, and I mean scale even modestly to 10, 15, or 20 vendors, the system you built on email and spreadsheets fractures. Orders get placed but never confirmed, invoices arrive before work has been approved, certificates, contracts, and documents expire without anyone noticing. And the real problem here isn't that you are spending more time managing vendors. The real problem is that you've lost visibility. You no longer have a clear picture of your vendor relationships. What's working? What's compliant? What's overdue? What's at risk and needs attention? And as a result, your team spends their time chasing updates rather than making decisions and getting work done. One project manager told me he was spending nearly 6 hours every week following up with subcontractors, checking document statuses, and trying to piece together information from emails, spreadsheets, and phone calls. That's not vendor management. That's admin work caused by a disconnected system. So today, I want to share with you a vendor portal that was created to solve your problem. It gives your vendors a dedicated place to submit documents, update information, track requests, and collaborate with your team. And at the same time, you, your business, your team, they gain a single source of truth for vendor compliance, approvals, details, requests, and vendor performance. So what does this actually look like in practice? Now, firstly, I have to note that a lot of businesses think that a vendor portal and a vendor management system are one and the same thing. They're not. The vendor portal, like we see here, is the experience your vendors interact with. The vendor management system is the operational engine behind it. So from the vendor's perspective, we'll jump back to the portal. This is where the experience is for them, and it's intentionally simple. They log into this portal and they can view their work or their requests and easily upload the necessary information and documentation. They could complete their onboarding requirements, and they can even communicate with your team. Now, most businesses do all of this through email and some spreadsheets. A portal turns that conversation, turns that spreadsheet into a structured process, secure and compliant structured process. The vendor views their portal, which is built on top of a secure backend. We have hidden tables that we see here, our vendor contacts and our requests, but this isn't visible to the vendor. Only their portal is, only the information that's related to them. But the bigger picture here is that this portal connects to another key system, our vendor management system, where our team manages profiles, contacts, engagements, contracts, and services. So instead of asking a vendor for the same document 3 times through email and then searching the email thread to find it for the 4th time, you can have them just simply use this portal and upload it directly there. Instead of wondering whether they're completed onboarding, you can see their progress instantly. And that's where things start to get interesting, because everything that the vendor does inside their portal is connected to your vendor management system. Here in our management system, our vendor management system, every vendor has a profile that acts as their single source of truth. It's not just contact information, but their engagements, contracts, approvals, everything. And this is one of the biggest shifts businesses make when they move away from spreadsheets. They stop managing information and they begin managing relationships. One thing I particularly like about this approach is that it separates the vendor from the engagement, because in the real world, one vendor might have multiple engagements, projects, departments, locations, or even contracts. So most systems, including spreadsheets, struggle with that. SmartSuite handles it naturally. Here, you can see exactly where a vendor is being used, how often, the engagement type, what services they're providing, and how that engagement connects back to contracts. That is operational visibility, and that's something spreadsheets just simply can't provide. Now, before we continue, I mentioned that this was built with SmartSuite, and you're probably wondering, what is this platform? SmartSuite works particularly well for vendor management and compliance because it combines vendor records, documentation, approvals, audits, and communication in a single system. From a compliance perspective, SmartSuite's automation capabilities help reduce risks by automatically tracking expiry dates, notifying stakeholders when documents need renewal, assigning compliance reviews, and maintaining a complete audit trail of activity. Now, we could build out a similar system in another platform like Airtable, but we really love SmartSuite for their compliance and secure benefits. So now let's talk about where a lot of risk actually lives. Contracts. Now, most organizations, they have contracts, but they don't know where they live. The challenge is knowing which contracts are active, which are expiring, who's responsible for them, and what obligations are attached to them. Inside SmartSuite, contracts are connected directly to the vendors, the engagements, the stakeholders, and any supporting documentation, which means when a renewal is approaching, you're not relying on somebody remembering. We have visibility. The system knows, the workflow knows, but importantly, with SmartSuite's automations built into the system, not only is visibility there, but we can send a reminder notification through email or Slack so that the right people get notified at the right time. And that's the difference between a reactive vendor management tool and a proactive vendor management system. Another feature that often gets overlooked is the products and services catalog. This gives you visibility into what vendors are actually providing across the organization. Usually that is managed through a doc or even just email threads. Rather, we need a single source of truth so anyone in the team can understand what is going on. And then everything rolls up into dashboards and reporting. You can see vendor performance, the compliance team can monitor outstanding requirements, finance can review contracts, operations could review vendor activity. Everyone is working from that same single source of truth. No duplicate spreadsheets, no conflicting information, and no hunting through email threads, just trying to work out what's happening. And that's the real value of a vendor portal built on SmartSuite. It's not just a place for vendors to log in, it's a connected operational system that links vendors, contracts, compliance, approvals, and business processes in one place. That's how you create visibility. That's how you improve your governance. And that's how you actually build a vendor management system that scales. Now, this is the point where most vendor management systems stop. You can manage vendors, you can manage contracts, you can manage compliance, and that's great. But here's the question I always ask clients. What happens after the vendor is approved? Because that's where the real work begins. The vendor starts supporting projects, purchase orders get created, invoices need approval, compliance reviews need to happen, contracts need renewing, departments need visibility, and suddenly your vendor management needs to be connected to the rest of your operations. This is where SmartSuite becomes much more than a vendor portal, a vendor system. Because SmartSuite isn't just a vendor management application. It's an operational work management solution. Every vendor record can connect to other systems inside your business, projects, assets, procurement, finance, risk and compliance, even customer-facing operations. And this is probably the biggest mistake I see businesses make because they purchase a vendor portal solution, but they don't solve the underlying operational problem. The vendor portal becomes another disconnected tool, another place where information lives, another system employees have to check. So what you actually want is a connected operation model where vendor information flows into the rest of your business automatically. Let's take a simple example. A vendor uploads an updated insurance certificate. Most systems stop there. In SmartSuite, that document itself can trigger an automation. The compliance team can get notified. The vendor status can be updated. A project manager can be informed. The vendor can automatically move into an approval state or an approved state. All that happens without anyone manually coordinating the process. The system does it for you. You're not purchasing a point solution. You're buying an operational infrastructure. Now, if you and your team are at that position where you're looking for a system like this, but you're unsure on how to get started, well, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I've left a link in the description of this video where you can get a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts that can help understand your business, your structure, and how we can streamline operations.